Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. So in today's video, we're going to do a kitchen backsplash, rental friendly. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new, and if you are returning, then hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Backsplash, double-sided tape, scissors, measuring tape. So jumping right in, guys, this is actually the backsplash, and this is how it actually looks straight out of the package. And here is the double-sided tape that we will be using in today's video. And right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take some strips off. And it's just stuck on here. And then, like I said, and then you stick off another part, which is clear. And that's what makes it double-sided tape. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off of here. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply it on the back of the backsplash. And then go ahead and put it on my wall. So guys, what I'm doing right here is I'm actually measuring where I want to start, because one end is going to have to be cut off, the one that's hanging on the side right here. And I'm just kind of measuring to see exactly where I'm going to fit it at. Right here, I had already pre-cut a hole right here to cut out for the outlet. So it's actually looking pretty good right here. Like I said, I just kind of want to just put it up here just to see how it looks. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and put some double-sided tape on them, and then we're going to go ahead and start to apply them. Okay, so this is the second pack. If I didn't mention in the beginning, 6 come in each pack. I basically used 2 whole packs, and then I think I have maybe 1 left. But yeah, if you guys' Backsplash is about like the same size as mine, 2 packs should be enough for you guys to be able to finish your whole project. And like I said, they are very thin, but they can get water on them and stuff like that, and they can be wiped down easy too as well. So again, we're going to go ahead and start to apply them on my side wall towards the bottom and stuff like that. Also guys, I'm just showing you guys where I put my double-sided tape. I do not put it all around it. I just pretty much put it up in the middle and then on both sides, and that pretty much makes it stick to the wall. It's pretty sturdy. So right here, as you guys can see, I have to actually measure and cut down on the end because one backsplash was a little too big. So I'm just going to fit it and cut it, and this is like the perfect fit. So just make sure that you measure and cut how much space that you need to take off so you can make sure that it fits. Now down here by the bigger outlet, it was a little tricky. Yeah, so just kind of like measure around it as best as you can. So in this clip right here, you guys, I am actually taking a strip of contact paper. I'm trying to explain to y'all that I'm trying to take a strip of contact paper, black contact paper, and actually put it above the backsplash because I started at the bottom because I didn't want it to be a gap at the bottom. I rather it had been at the top. That way I can cover it if I had chose to. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this contact paper and I cut it about 1 inch, maybe and a half. And I am going to just take it along my backsplash, kind of going to cover up the gap that is between the backsplash and the top cabinet. So that's what I did. So, but you guys can pretty much, you know, cover it up any type of way that you want. But that's just what I did because I had already had black. So. Okay guys, so this is the final product. I think everything turned out absolutely gorgeous. I love this backsplash, and it's rental friendly, and it's definitely on a budget too as well. Again, I ended up getting it from Hobby Lobby, your local Hobby Lobby, to actually purchase it if you would like to. I think everything turned out absolutely gorgeous. It's very clean, and as you guys see, I ended up putting the strip of contact paper on top of the backsplash just to kind of cover up that little space that was still open. But other than that, guys, I think it looks really, really, really good. Let me know what you guys think of it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this rental-friendly DIY kitchen backsplash, because it is super cute and I am loving it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day.